Hello educators, let us explore how TutAR can bring fraction to life using interactive 3D model, making learning more visual and engaging.
Start with models like half and quarters to show how a single object can be split into equal portions. To make fractions relatable, use real-world models such as apple slice, helping students see number as a part of everyday items. Teachers can use model of real-life object to show how fraction with same denominator are combined visually. Here you can visually subtract fractions like 3 by 6 minus 1 by 6 using the model to remove shaded parts and clarify the concept. Using the multiplication model, demonstrate both fraction by a whole number and fraction by fraction, allowing students to understand why numerators and denominators are multiplied. The division model demonstrates how a fraction is split into equal groups. When 2 by 6 is divided by 4, each shaded part is divided further, giving 2 by 4.
With TutAR, teachers can transform fractions into a clear interactive visual lessons. For more information, visit tutar.app.